Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Milligan, and I am here to show you the parts of a box plot. And this lesson will relate with the Iditarod exit slip. So it's analyzing the Iditarod. Really, we're focusing on something today. It's in topic 16 of your Digits Volume 2 textbook. It's within topic 16 of measure of center and variation, but it's specifically 16.4, and it's called IQR, and it stands for Interquartile Range. So we know what range is, and it's just like the range, although you're using quartiles. So if you see these 5 data points that have been selected for the points scored per football game, the IQR, a normal range would be the distance between the maximum and the minimum. So you would do 40 minus 6 or whatever it is to find the range. But the interquartile range is you're going to take the quartile 3 right here, which is 35 points, and you subtract it by the first quartile, which is about 19. So you subtract the top of this box and you subtract it from the lower part of the box. So that is called the IQR. So we're going to look carefully to see actually how we would find the interquartile range. It's on this left side area, and I'm just going to share with you the definition.
The interquartile range, or IQR, is a measure of variability in a numerical data set. The IQR represents the spread of the middle 50% of the data values. You find the IQR by subtracting the first quartile from the third quartile. The lesser the interquartile range, the more consistent or close the values in the data set are to the median.
So if we were going to find the interquartile range of these points, we would take 35 and subtract it by like 19. And that number is the interquartile range. So we're trying to describe the data as carefully as we can using different methods. It's a great way to look at it to describe how many points do you usually score in a football game. So let's look at how we would find the first quartile first.
The first quartile is the median of the values in the lower half of the data set.
So did you see how we've arranged the numbers from least to greatest? That median is 29. That means it is right in the middle. So if you were going to find the first quartile, you're finding the median of that first half. So you're finding the median between the 6 and the 29. I'm going to show you how to find the third quartile next.
The third quartile is the median of the values in the upper half of the data set.
So if you were looking at the upper half, you'd see that it ranges between that middle, which is 29, and then 40, which is the maximum. You're taking the middle of that half. So you're finding the median of that section. And that is the third quartile. The regular range is maximum minus the minimum.
The range is the span of the entire data set. You find the range by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value.
Okay, I hope this helps you with your exit slip on analyzing the Iditarod. Good luck, and I will talk to you soon.